and connect with our chartists, find out their views on the markets ahead as well as their fresh trading recommendations this morning. We've got Nooresh Merani with us at the moment. And Nooresh, yes, indeed, we did take a bit of a breather for the markets yesterday. Kunal Bothra also joining in. But the fact remains that the underlying momentum continues to remain strong. What's your view on the print on the index today? And share with us some of your trading bets.
So overall, the trend continues to remain positive. A little bit of a pause for a day or two should continue. And we are slowly and steadily getting into the trend where we can go towards that 18,600, 18,800 mark. Till the time we don't break 17,800 to 18,000 band on the lower end, we would expect that uptick to continue towards that. On the bank nifty, we have a case wherein we need to take some bit of a pause at 43,500 to 44,000 because that is where the previous high was. It's difficult to take a high after a move from the bottom in such a big way. So I would expect a little bit more of a pause, but the trend remains positive. The broader markets also have moved up a bit over the last month and a half. So in this case, one needs to continue to be structurally positive. Keep looking out for stock-specific opportunities. The index could take a pause. At least the bank nifty could. The nifty could continue.
Let's find out what Kunal's outlook is as well on the markets. And Kunal, give us a sense as to what exactly you're charting out for today's trading session, given that yesterday the 18,300 print eluded us.
Good morning, Avan. So 2 days back when we had that sharp selling, so previous Friday, the highs which were created for both the indices, Nifty, made a high I think around 18,300 approximately, and the Bank Nifty specifically made a high which was around 43,600. Now, in 2 days of recovery post that selling, we've yet been unable to break past about the levels of 43,600 on the Bank Nifty, which means that bulls would probably get into more of a high performance zone where there could be more confirmations pending for a breakout. So my sense is that over the next couple of days we could actually see Bank Nifty underperforming slightly. Nifty has managed to cross those previous levels of 18,250 approximately. So Bank Nifty is yet to give that confirmation, and that's why I believe that the lag action could probably come back into the Bank Nifty. So I think it makes a lot of sense to now shift the action towards the Nifty stocks as well as moving out from Bank Nifty and then trying to book profits on most of the banking names, especially the ones which have been underperformers and the ones which have performed of late. So I believe that the action shifts towards the non-banking stocks specifically. Only few selective private sector banking names is where I believe one should focus on rather than focusing on the gamut of the entire PSU as well as the private sector banks.